Hi learners, is glad to see you in Krishna's space. Today is the day 83 of our 300 days DSA journey. So it's time for our today's problem. Let's understand it. So today's problem is destination city. Here we have given the array called paths, where paths of I is city AI and city BI. Means there exists a direct path going from city AI to city BI, and we have to return the destination city, that is the city without any path outgoing to another city. That means in this question we have given a list of lists in which the elements in my list are cities, and the first element will be my starting city and the second element will be my destination city. So we have to return that destination city which is not a starting city for any another city. That means the city without any path outgoing to another city. And also they have given that it is guaranteed that the graph of paths from a line without any loop, that means there is no loop, so therefore there will be exactly one destination city here. So now let's get into the examples to understand it better. So as we can see in the example 1, we have given paths in which we have given 3 starting city and 3 destination city, in which as you can see the path is starting from London to New York, then New York to Lima, and then Lima to Sao Paulo, in which you can observe that New York and Lima are both destination city but they are starting city as well. So only Sao Paulo is the destination city which is not a starting city. That's why they have written it as an output. Same in example 2 as well, they have given the paths, and in this also we have given 3 lists in which you can see the path is starting from B to C, then D to B, and then C to A. So as you can see, C and B both are destination city but they are starting city as well. Only A is the one who is not a starting city, so that's why they have written the output A. And in example 3 we have given a simple path from A to Z, and we know Z is a destination city, that's why they have written this output. Now let's understand how I have solved this problem. So to solve this problem, what we can do, we can take two sets, starting city and destination city, in which we are going to put cities from our list. So basically in starting city, we are going to put first element from each list, and in the destination city, we are going to put second element from each list. So after having all the cities into their respective set, we are going to use set difference to get the destination city, and in set difference we remove all the cities from destination city which are in starting city. So the city which left in destination city is our answer, and that's what I have done in my code as well. As you can see, first I have created two sets, starting city and destination city. Thereafter I have done a loop in which I am adding the first element from my list to starting city and the second element of my list to my destination city set. Thereafter I have used set difference, and then I am just returning the city which is left in my destination city set. So we can take the example 2 here to understand it more better. In the first run, B will be added in my starting city and C will be added in my destination city. Thereafter in second run, we are going to add D into my starting city and B into my destination city. And in the third run, we are going to add C into my starting city and A into my destination city. So now as we have traversed the whole list, so we are going to come out from this loop, and in starting city we have B, D and C city, and in destination city we have C, B and A. So now we are going to use set difference here. So that means we are going to remove all the cities from destination city which are in starting city. So in our destination city we have CBA, and in our starting city we have BDC. So we are going to remove C and B from our destination city because it is already present in my starting city. So now in destination city we have only A city, and after that we are just returning the city by using pop function. So that's how I have solved this problem. If you guys have any other solution of it, do write it on comment, and thank you so much for watching this video and staying with me.